Today we are going to show you VAT addition accounting and inventory management software. This is our software login form. Here you can create multiple users and you can create one administrator. Administrator have complete access, like for example, if you want to give access to any of your users, so you can give the limited rights, like he cannot check your reports, he cannot check your invoices, so you can just log this according to the users. All right, so we are going to log in here. 12345 is the password. Now you can see here the main menu. First of all, we create here the new customer. Okay, now for example, there is two categories: cash customers and credit customers. Now I'm going to add one customer. For example, Amin Trading LLC. Contact person I can add here, address. For example, I add Dera, Dubai. I can add the region, sub-region, telephone, fax, mobile, email, registration number, business sector. Also I can make the limit. For example, I can add here credit limit, like I want to give him the credit limit of 10,000 dirhams, so I can make the credit limit as well. I'm going to save this. So you can see it's already saved in my customer list. You can create multiple customers here. Now second option, I'm going to add vendor suppliers, from where you purchase your goods. So I'm going to add a vendors account. For example, I add Salman Trading LLC. Okay, I can add vendor accounts. I just put save here, so it's already saved now. Now here I can create the products, what products I'm dealing with, add products. So I'm going to create a product. For example, I'm dealing in toys. All right, so I just create main category twice, and second category I'm going to add here. For example, I just make it remote car. Okay, subcategory. And now I'm going to add the item. I'm going to create item remote car 4x4 and model number and whatever. You can make the further description here. I can put item description as well as purchasing price. For example, 1200 AED is the purchasing price, 1500 AED is the selling price. Also I can make the reorder quantity. For example, reorder quantity means, example, if my order is going to be like my inventory is going to be short, so I will get the alert that you have to reorder your item. Also I can fix the sales tax percentage. For example, 15% or 5% I can make fix VAT. All right, so I'm going to save here. You can see the item is already saved. I can create here any kind of items. It's just an example that I create remote car. If your business is like mobile shop, laptop shop, computer, a trading business, whatever, if you are a service provider, you can add your services here. All right, now I'm going to make, I have two options: purchase non-tax and VAT purchase. All right, so I'm going to add a VAT purchase. First I select my vendor, Salman Trading LLC. His previous balance also will show here. Right now it's 0 because it's first invoice. I put here vendor invoice number, date, terms of payments, what decide, like check, cash, whatever decide, so you can make here. Now I'm going to add item which is a remote car. You can see. Okay, now you can see here the balance quantity in hand is 0. Amount is 1200 AED, the category and everything you can see. Also you will see here the history, purchase history, which is right now none because it's a first purchasing. So I'm going to order 5 quantity. 1200 AED is the price, 5% I put the VAT amount, 300 will be the VAT, and including VAT is 6300. Now 6300 is the payable amount. If I'm going to pay here, for example, I'm going to pay 5000 advance to my vendor, and the 1300 will be in his ledger. Okay, I will show you in the next option. So you can also make the location. If you have a multiple location, so you can select the location where you want to save this inventory. I'm going to print this. You can see the purchase invoice. It's look like this. Your company name will be in the top of the invoice, like your company name, address, phone number, your VAT registration number, TRN number, everything will be here, and purchase from which vendor, item description, quantity, everything will be like this. You want to print this, you can directly print this. If you want to send the WhatsApp, PDF, every option is there. All right, now I'm just going to close this purchase. Now I'm going to check first reports, purchase reports. You can see the purchase reports. I check the purchase register. You can see the purchase register 6000 AED. I already purchased in 300 VAT, including VAT. This is purchasing. If I want to check vendor wise purchasing, like I have so many vendors, if I want to filter Salman purchasing, I want to see the period wise purchasing, I want to see sell tax or non tax, I want to see cash purchasing, credit purchasing. I have every kind of filters here. All right, if I want to print this, if I want to transfer the data in Excel, I have all the options. If I want to check inventory, if I come here in the reports, inventory balances, display, you can see 5 quantity in hand, like quantity in, out is 0. I haven't sale anything yet, so stock is showing that 5 in hand. Now if I want to see like category wise stock, I can also filter here category wise. So I can also category wise inventory, location wise, period wise, brand wise, every option is there. All inventory, if you want to see, you can see all inventory. Now I'm going to go VAT sale bill. All right, now VAT sale bill, I just come here, I just Amin, which is the customer, Amin Trading LLC. Okay, I have two options, like I want to create sale invoice or service invoice. For example, I'm going to create a service invoice, so also I can create service invoice. Now if I want to go with the remote car, I'm going to sell one quantity, which is 5% VAT I put here. All right, and anything else you want to add more, any kind of service you are offering, so you can add more services, whatever you are offering. All right, so right now it's a 5% VAT and this is the total amount. If I'm going to receive this amount, I will just receive this here and I'm going to print out. You can see here it's a service invoice, Amin Trading LLC. I just sell him this, and this invoice look like this. I can print out, I can send PDF, everything I can make it. Now if I want to check my inventory, you can see that 5 total quantity was in hand, 1 already I sold right now, and the 4 is balance. If I double click this, you can see 5 quantity in hand I purchased from Salman Trading this date, and I sell to Amin Trading LLC 1 quantity this date, and the remaining balance is this. If I want to print the ledger of inventory, I can print that inventory ledger as well. If I want to see period wise, location wise, or I can transfer to the Excel, I can do that. If I want to see accounts ledger, now for example, I want to see the accounts ledger of Amin Trading. So Amin Trading accounts is nil because I already paid him. If I want to see Salman Trader, like which was my vendor, so you can see that 6,300 was the amount which I have to pay. 5,000 already I have paid. All right, 1,300 left which I have to pay more. Now you can see the ledger. This is the ledger of my vendor. If I want to pay him 1,300, I have many options like cash option or bank option. If I want to pay through cash or through bank, for example, I'm going to pay through cash. Now I'm just making this petty payment. I just put here cash in hand, and I'm going to pay to Salman Traders LLC. I just put narration here, whatever the narration you want to add. For example, 1,000 dirham I already paid now him. So I just save this and I just come here with Salman Traders LLC. So this is the amount. Now you can see 1,000 dirham is already came here. Now only 300 left. All right, ledger will be maintained automatically. Also there is too many more things, like you can create purchase order, you can create purchase sell tax invoice, non tax invoice, purchase returns. All right, also you can in sales you can create quotation, sales order, delivery challan, sales return. These all options available in our software. This is a small dashboard where you can see the sales, total sales of the day, cash and bank of the day, receivable customers, payable customers. Also you can check your like accounts, income statement, your P&L report like profit and loss report, total revenue, cost of sales, operating expenses, financial expenses, taxations, net profit and loss, as well as you can see here your balance sheet. Okay, all of your business position will be here in your balance sheet, where you can see your assets, current assets, cash, bank, customers, inventories, advance prepayments, short-term investments, non-current assets, as well as here you can see your equity capital. So also you can make the trial balance here in this software. You can see the trial balance also. It's a 2-column trial balance as well as 6-column trial balance. And you can just add your expense account, salary account. This is our chart of accounts where you can add all of your account: cash, bank, customers, fixed assets, expenses, acquired expenses, equity capitals, owner drawing account. Like everything is there in our software. This is a expenses account, and you can make the transaction from here, daily expense book. So this is our software. I hope you understand. Thank you very much. If you want to order, in description you can see our WhatsApp number. You can just contact us on WhatsApp, or you can direct call us. Thank you.